Welcome to Sun City AZ Spotlight, the original video magazine of Sun City.
Today's Spotlight is featuring sports, specifically the Water Volleyball Club located at Oakmont Recreation Center. The club recently announced their third annual tournament, which will be held October 20th. We were there last year and caught the action, and a fun time was had by all. The tournament included 5 clubs from around the valley: Sun City West, Sun City Grand, El Mirage, and Paradise Resort. The club is also hosting an open house Sunday, October 27th from 12:30 to 1:30 at the Oakmont Pool. There are many opportunities to stay healthy and fit in Sun City. Did you play high school, college, or co-ed volleyball? Have you been active in other sports? Then the Water Volleyball Club might be a great fit for you. The club offers the opportunity to meet other people, have a couple of hours of fun, and exercise a few times a week. They're inviting you to meet the club members, learn more about required minimum skill sets, playing time, and the club in general. Please remember to bring your RCSC card. The club meets Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And in the summer, they add an afternoon session. If you'd like more information about the Water Volleyball Club, email them at wvcofsc@gmail.com. Video and drone footage provided by Mike Eggy. Video editing provided by Carla West. I'm Carla West with Sun City AZ Spotlight, and thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, follow, and share.